I'm just going to quickly cast my sugar pen out, see if there's anything on the top hitting. And if it's not hitting in the next 5 minutes or so, I'll just stick to brimming for now. There we go. Seen something just jump out there already. Could be tailor or something. I don't know. Never really used this sugar pen as much. I don't know if I should burn it or walk the dog with it. Oh, here we go. Yep, there's a lot of tailor there. He's on. There we go. I knew there'll be some tailor here. That's some good topwater action already. Nothing big, but have a go at that. These tailor, they put up a decent fight. But yeah, that's pretty good. There we go. First cast on the sugar pen. And that's not a bad tailor. He's got friends with him too. Look at that. Tailor and Co. Well, that was easy. He took it well, and he's not even that small, eh? These things work a treat, eh? They really do. Oh, he's out now. There you go. One tailor on the sugar. Let's try this again. I reckon I'll get hit again straight away. Hopefully by a king, maybe. Oh, I doubt it. Oh, there we go. He's on straight away. This is awesome. Oh, he's off. Pull the hook. Let's pull the hook. Oh, he's on again. Hey, this is a good start to the morning. I know I'm not going for bream at the moment, but this is pretty fun, eh? I might just do this all day. Maybe I can crack a bigger model. Oh, there we go. Smile for the camera. This, yeah, okay. He's a bit bigger. Don't throw my pliers into the water. Fuck, settle down, mate. Yep. Tailor number 2. This is good fun, I'm not gonna lie. I know they're not a quality price fish, but at that size, that's decent, man. That's pushing like 35 or something. See you later. Alright, try the crab. Try the eco. No takes. Now I've got the MMD soft prawn on. I reckon this could be a winner. Yep. Bites. Come on. Yes, got him. Oh, he's a donkey. He's massive. He's massive. He's a 40. He's a 40. Oh, hold on. What's that? Is that a big yakka? There's a bream right near him. That's a massive yakka, man. That's the biggest yakka I've ever seen in my life. Holy shit. That's basically a freaking kingy, man. What in the world? That is the biggest yellowtail I've ever seen in my life. That is ridiculous, man. I can't believe how big this thing is. Talk about agi fishing. Of course my net's on the other side. There's a bream right near him. Holy shit. That is a monster. I can't believe it. He's 40. No, he's not 40, he's 42. I want to show you guys. I don't know if it'll do justice, but look how big this thing is. 42 centimeters, 43, 42 centimeters. I thought it was a little rat. That's how big it is, but anyways, there we have it. I'll put him back in, see if I can get a bream or something. Looks like the bream prawn's going to probably go better than the crab at the moment. I feel like the natural stink's going to get them. I've seen a few around chasing, so those are the hooks I'm using. Van Fook, and what size is it? Size 10. That fits perfectly on the bream prawn when you're hooking at Weedless. Those are the prawns I'm using. It's the white glow. The only reason why I'm using the white glow is because you can see it when it's drifting down in the water. I think all colours will probably work, but yeah, that's the reason why I'm using it. Just go in like that, pull it out. I don't even know if I'm doing it properly, but like I said, I don't really use weedless setups, but in this case these work. I'm pretty sure that's pretty good. I don't even know, but it looks alright. So you want it to be like that. I don't mind if the hook's getting exposed a bit because we're not fishing weeds, but we just want it to sink naturally, and that's how it should look, I think. The bream are biting there. Yep, got him. Got one. Yeah, he's a good one. He's a good one. He's a good one. Put the pressure on him. Yeah, baby. There's one. It's an excellent start. He's not big, but there we go. Found a bream. That's what we're looking for. I don't really care how big he is, as long as we got one, eh? That's an excellent start. He's taking that eco prawn really well there on the weedless setup. He just drifts so naturally in the water, and it brings on the bite. You don't even have to do anything. You just let it sink. He's not big at all, eh? He fought pretty well though on 4 pound. Can't complain about that. See you later, man. We'll just chuck you over here. I'm not going to measure him. He's not that big. Let's fix the prawn up and go again. That is awesome. Really happy about that. The bream have not been biting whatsoever lately, and that was good. He's followed this prawn all the way down. Just goes to show you don't need to rush, eh? You just wait for that hit, wait for that pull, and you'll be rewarded, hopefully a big one. Oh shit. Oh, how did bream chase it?
Hi, mate.
How you going, man? What's happening, bro?
Right.
Not bad. I just had one hit it now. I'm gonna move, don't worry.
Alright, that's it.
If you ever work in here, keep a rod with you, bro.
I should, bro.
I don't want to get you in trouble. I know I've got to move.
That's all good.
Bro, he just took that as I was retrieving it.
Yeah.
That was a big one, man. That's 2 I've missed. I just missed one here. That's the second one I've missed now. Do you fish?
A little bit, bro. Not much. I went to Noosa for a bit, man. My mates are fucking...
Ooh, Noose is cracker, bro.
So they were looking at these mango fish or something there.
Noose is crazy, man.
Fish there.
So, no luck at Noosa?
No. Oh, they caught massive, bro.
Oh,
I
yeah?
went deep sea there as well.
I think I've seen you. Oh, there's one. Got one. Oh, he's off again. You know what it is, bro. It's my hook. I'm running a weedless setup. Got him. That's a good one, man. He's not coming off. Yeah, I seen you here before, eh?
Yeah, I think I
haven't been here for a while, man.
Hope we catch this.
Oh, that's a big tailor, bro.
Yeah, that's a massive.
That's a big tailor, man. Shit. I thought it was a bream, bro.
You got a big one.
Hey, that's gonna bust me off, bro. I'm only running 4 pound line. Can you pass me the net, bro? I don't want to get you in trouble, eh, bro? Get the gaff out, brother. Hey, this guy's gonna bust me off, man. That's a donkey tailor, man.
Look at him.
I want to get down here, eh? Oh, he's massive, bro. Look how big he is.
Just waiting for him to catch.
I'm gonna put my phone here. Just tire him out a bit. Bro, he's big, eh?
He's huge, bro.
I don't know how I'm going to do this.
They're gonna lose it.
Bismillah. Can't believe how big he is. I reckon I'm going to lose him. Look at his mate. Can you see his mate?
Yeah. Man, this thing, it's massive, bro.
It's a big tailor. Yeah, but a big one.
Just gonna lift it up, boys, and he's gonna move.
Yeah, I'm going to move.
He's huge, bro.
I just can't pull on him because my line's like 4 pound, bro.
That thing's massive.
Yeah, it is. Hold on.
Oh, you got it.
Bismillah. He's alright. Ah, stop it. I can't get him up, bro. I can't pull on that line. No. It's too thin.
Can you get him from the thing?
From what?
With the net when he comes.
I'm trying to, but I don't want to stack it in. Water. Keep your head in the water. He's not.
Not the net?
No, that's alright, bro. Just give him a bit of time. I know I've got to get going, sorry, bro.
That's alright, bro. I want to grab this thing.
You want to grab it?
No, it's alright. It's all good. I won't let you go till you.
Are you allowed to grab my rod?
Yeah, be a bit weird. I can grab the thing. Because you're not meant to be fishing here.
Yeah, I know, yeah. 100%. You're a champion, bro.
It's all good, bro.
Sorry, I'm just letting him tire out, that's all. I'm giving up. I'm actually waiting for him to just cark it.
You reckon he's going to carcass it?
I hope so, bro. Yeah.
Probably, mate. All good. He's trying to pull it out with the thing. He's meant to be thin.
If you hold the rod for him, grab the string and then reef it with the net.
What do I got to do? Hold.
Nah, it's alright, bro. It's alright. It's alright, it's alright.
Oh, he's still kicked again.
It's alright, bro.
Hold the rod for you, bro.
Can you hold the rod?
Yeah.
Oh, don't pull too hard. Oh, he came off.
Did it come off?
I had an XL tailor from 4 pound. He's trying to reach for the net, but he's a bit tight. Couldn't reach it. Net was too short, and the poor bloke was trying to help me out, and he just pulled a bit too hard on the 4 pound, and it just came off. But nevertheless, we got to see him. I think it was up to 50s. Anyways, what can we do?